with the
Voice mod uses AI to transform your voice into Morgan Freeman, obviously. Astronauts and more. AI voices enters beta today. Can I have this?
Yeah, I believe so.
AI voices technology.
You can transform your voice in real time.
Sound like an iconic movie actor with the Morgan voice.
That's a good one.
That's the best one, easily, but that was really good. And that's live?
The possibilities are infinite.
Sign up for the voice mod beta and try our AI voices today.
Yeah. Okay.
Isn't that so cool?
Where am I getting it, though? What am I doing?
Freeman. That's so specific.
What am I doing?
So you want it. You think
Well, I
it's
just
cool.
don't know, where do I get it? What am I in? What is this software?
From what I understand, this is actually a pretty old software, but this new AI Morgan Freeman thing is like a new feature.
Voice mod, a popular real-time voice changer, is starting to use artificial intelligence. Voice mod has been transforming voices for years thanks to classic sound design techniques, but these new voice effects combine AI too. The Morgan voice, as voice mod calls it, is particularly impressive, allowing you to pretend to be the famous movie star or simply a polished voice actor. The new pilot voice is also a lot of fun, with sound effects that really make it sound like you're piloting an aircraft. Oh, okay.
We can try it here.
So we can just,
I can set something up.
set it up on your thing and let me...
Oh, it works on Discord.
Let me be Morgan real quick.
Look at that.
Let me be Morgan real quick.
This is going to be fun.
Yeah. Realistic synthetic voices are getting even more impressive as the years roll by. While AI voices have been a novelty in the past, tools like Resemble.ai and Respeecher have demonstrated the potential for content creators, letting editors use voice clones to edit spoken word recordings. Cool. Targeted at streamers and content creators. We'll give you a demo real soon.